Hello there, my lovely goblins. Today I have got another mystery box. This one, as you can probably see by the writing and everything, is the Gemma Correll Medium Mystery Box. Go find Cyber Gemma wherever she may be and follow her coolness. Let's open this bad boy up. It feels really heavy, by the way. This is a heavy box. So this is another one I got from Oh Dear, along with the mystery craft box and the artfuls and the paper gangs, and I'm obsessed with them. What can I say? What have I got? Oh, I've got a pink inside. I mean, to be fair, I do have pink insides. But that's just everyone has pink insides. Got some shredded card package. Ooh. Do I see a pin badge back here? What do I see? I see, oh dear. Oh, look. A sparkly unicorn. Look, can you see the sparkly unicorn? Can you see? I don't know if am I in the focal range of this camera. Is it very cute? It sparkles. Tis the season for gift cards? No, it's not. Get rid of that. Ah, yeah. That's a cool one. Another. To be fair, I'd need as many coasters as possible because I have many cups of tea on the go at any given time. Let's look in the vodka. Yeah, I'm not allowed to drink vodka anymore. Not really. It's not a good idea. Oh, look, to do. Snooze. It's always time to snooze. Always time to snooze. Another to-do list. This time we get to nap. So we can snooze and we can nap. Remember that. Snooze, nap. Snooze, nap. When you finish snoozing, you start napping. This one's cool. Plans for world domination. Ooh, the cat. I'm going to give a riffle right by the microphone this time. I don't know if that's ASMR or not. Ooh. Da, da, da. More plans for world domination. I have a few of these. I have many, many plans for world domination. I may need a bigger book. Very cool. Hello? What we got here? Oh, look! Oh, bless him. He made it with his bum. His bottom, his backside, his butt. He made it with his butt. I have got also, considering Gemma Correll is very popular at the moment and most amusing. Hey, look. My week of Nope. My week of Nope. Enjoy the week of Nope. Sometimes you need to nope the week. The whole week. Not just some of the week, but all of the week. What is this? It's just exactly the same size as the box. That's what that is. Oh, I don't want to spoil it. Everything's going to be okay. That's good to know. That is good. Oh, it's a little hot print. That's nice. And I've been saving. Oh, everything's going to be okay. I may have to give that to there's a couple of people I know who could do with that. Open it up. What is this? I'm feeling it may be a cup. What is on the cup of you? Cappuccino. Oh, that's genuinely cursed. I mean, it's cool, but I mean, is it cursed? Is it blurst? I mean, I do love a dodgy pun, but pucks freak me out a little bit. But that's just me. Please don't hate me in the comments. Also, like and subscribe. There's that. Cappuccino. And last but not least, some crumbs. No, I've got some pencil. Some pencil. Gemma Correll pencils. So if you go to the website and buy these are not cheap. So, you know. I like her sense of humour. It's a bit wacky. Is wacky the right word? Nuts. Nuts is a good word. It's nuts. She nuts, and I like that. I don't like normal people. I mean, I do like normal people, but you know, normal is relative. None of my relatives are normal. Take a nap. Yep. That is good advice, always. You've got this. You do have this. I have this pencil for starters. Work in progress. It's unsharpened. Nope. It just is nope. And the most important one, very busy, doing nothing. If you say you're doing nothing, that's not an invitation for someone to offer for you to do something. It's like, what would you like to do? No, I'm happy doing nothing. So that's a pretty good little box, actually. So you got 5 pencils, all with humorous things on. You've got a little art print. You've got your nope to-do list. My week, notes to do. I made it with my bum. Sorry about that. Plans for world domination. Always good to make plans. Like sticky notes. The sticky note everything now. Everything's going to have sticky notes on it. You're going to have cats and sticky notes. And also pugs. But mainly cats and sticky notes. Cups of tea, cats, sticky notes, noping, drawing, and big egg-faced, egg, I don't know, is that an egg? The egg says everything is going to be okay. And I'm happy to believe the egg when he says, or they say, I'm happy to believe the egg when they say everything is going to be okay. Remember that. And I'm going to say bye-bye now because I can't think of any more words. So I will see you. Well, I'll catch you later. Take care. Bye.